Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a meal plan of what we're going to have for the week ahead. So I've got my little notebook and we're going to head into the kitchen to see what we've got and what we need to use up. So like I said on my previous video, you want to make sure that you're using the things that go out of date first, if that makes sense. So let's go and look in the kitchen. Okay, so now we've got a list of all of the ingredients that we need to use up. We're going to highlight the ones that go together. So wraps, peppers, chicken, cheese, fajita mix. There we go, so we've got fajitas. We've got rolls, turkey mince, veg burgers, chips. There we go. So burgers, easy, and that'll be a few days. So we can do turkey burgers one day, vegetable burgers another day, and have chips on the side. We've got sausages, mushrooms, sausage casserole mix, and potatoes and baguettes. So that'll be 2 meals. So one of those will be not sauce, sausage casserole, and then the other one will be hot dogs. So we've got baguettes for the hot dogs, and then also we've got 2 packets of sausages, so we'll be doing those. Mushrooms, sausage casserole, and potato, I should say mix. So that will go into the sausage casserole, as well as the garlic as well. That'll be used in there as well. So you can see we've got 2 meals from that. So I'm thinking tonight, so we've got the pulled pork from yesterday. So I'll have pulled pork with kung pao sauce, noodles or rice, and I'm thinking for that as well, so to make 2 meals from it, we've got the soy sauce. I will make, so let's do another one of these. So we've got pulled pork stir fry and pulled pork, what's it called in Wagamama's? Dom puree. Not quite sure how to spell that, so don't judge. Yeah, so with the pulled pork left over from last night, we're going to do a pulled pork stir fry tonight, and then pulled pork dom puree possibly for lunches tomorrow, or maybe even dinner for tomorrow. It depends how much pulled pork there is really, as to whether it will make enough for just me or everyone for one more day. Right, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals we've made, and haven't even used all of these items. So obviously pesto pasta will be a good one for lunches. We've got a fish pie, which again will do really good for someone's lunch. With the bread ends, I'm going to be doing, so we freeze all of our bread and we never like the end bits. So I'm going to get all of those out and make a bread and butter pudding. Pittas is another really good one for people's lunches. Might make some banana smoothies.